Eli. Welcome to my Wonder Lab.
Hey, Michael Michelle. I brought BuilderBot with me today.
Cool. And I can capture a tornado in my tornado tower.
Which one should we play with first?
I think BuilderBot.
Yeah, I think BuilderBot too. We can make him walk, roll, spin, or bulldoze.
Let's do walking first.
Yeah. Now we gotta add this.
Walking, walking, walking.
Now let's turn him on. Whoa! He's going crazy!
He's like...
Look at, he's walking, see? He was there, and now he's
cool.
there. I am BuilderBot, beep, beep, beep.
I am a robotics engineer. Beep,
I have to charge myself. BuilderBot powering down.
Me too. Beep.
Hey, do you want to experiment and see if we can make BuilderBot cross a bridge?
Yeah!
First, we'll tape it down. And now let's see if BuilderBot can cross it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
He's going.
Go, go, go.
Go, BuilderBot.
He's not making it. He can't go up. He's about to fall off.
Ah, man, it didn't work.
That's okay. We can figure this out.
Maybe it'll work if we try him with wheels.
Yeah, let's get the wheels.
Here. Put BuilderBot on.
Go! He made it!
Woohoo!
Let's customize BuilderBot any way we want.
Yeah, maybe we should add these. So first we gotta take his arms off. Now we put these on. Then we put his arms back on. This way BuilderBot will be more in fashion. Hold on, maybe we should use this head. It looks a lot
Can I
cooler.
try it? Beep, bop, boop, beep. I am BuilderBot's head.
Now he's in Warren's style.
Boom! What? Got him! We did it!
Now let's play with your tornado tower.
Okay, check this out.
Whoa! The gears are like spinning around.
It's a vortex!
Yeah! Like a tornado, but underwater. Look at all the gears. They're banging into each other. Look at the yellow. If you look through, there's air inside that.
It's like an actual air tornado from outside. You want to make lava?
Yeah. Wait, how?
We're going to need a little help. Hey, big sis! Hi, Tahani.
Hey guys! So, we've got mineral oil, water, and food coloring. The first thing we're gonna do is add our mineral oil into the tornado tower.
Sounds kind of funny.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! Make sure you fill it 3/4 of the way. Now, we are going to get our water and add 1 drop of yellow food coloring and another drop of red food coloring.
I wonder what color this is going to make.
Yellow and red make orange, so we can make it extra volcano-y. It's orange. Water is more dense than mineral oil, so the water is going to sink.
Whoa!
That's so cool.
The water went under the oil.
Yeah, it sinks. Now, let's see what happens. This is
Whoa,
neat.
that is so cool. That's like mini explosions.
It's like once the bubbles hit the oil,
I
it
know,
just goes boom.
It's like bounces off.
Yeah.
It's bouncing.
This is so neat.
Yeah? So is this. Lights.
Whoa!
Whoa.
It lights up.
It's like a trampoline, but the trampoline is upside down.
The bubbles are glowing.
They are, like a real lava lamp.
Yeah. BuilderBot!
Oh no.
I guess we have some cleanup to do.
I'll leave that to you two.
BuilderBot Bulldozer. Nice work, BuilderBot.
See you next time in the Wonder Lab.